Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like my video. So today I'm going to make a wood bead garland. I'm going to use these beads from Walmart and the jute twine from Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use the nude ones only. This is a very easy project. You can just do it in 2 or 3 minutes. It's not going to take your time, and the items are easily available in the market. You can just buy them and decor your house with it. The twine was hard to work with, so I'm going to use a metal wire as a needle to put the beads into it. Once I insert the beads into the twine, I'm going to make the tassels. I'm going to make 2 tassels at this time for the 2 ends of the garland. These garlands are very popular in the internet right now. If you don't like the nude color, you can just go ahead with the darker shade of it, or just give it a spray coat of paint. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me and to see more of the DIY projects in this channel. Thank you so much for watching.